Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Joyce, your maths teacher. I hope everyone is doing good. We have learned about measurement of length and weight. Right children? Yes. Then tell me, what is length? Yes. Length is a measure of how long an object is. We learned two standard units for measuring the length of things. One is centimeter. The short form of centimeter is cm. Centimeter is used to measure short length. Cm is the short form of centimeter. The second one, meter. Meter is a standard unit which is used to measure long length. And m is the short form of meter. Then we learn about measurement of weight. Tell me children, what is weight? Yes, the weight of a thing tells us how heavy it is. Tell me children, which are the standard units we use to measure the weight of things? Yes, gram and kilogram. Gram is used to measure the weight of smaller object and kilogram is used to measure the weight of bigger object. Is it clear children? Yes. So today let us learn about measurement of capacity. Children, I am going to show you three things. Can you see the three things? Yes, a spoon, a cup and a bucket. Tell me children, which container will hold more water? Yes, we know the bucket can hold more water because the size of the bucket is larger than the spoon and the cup. Isn't it? That is, the capacity of a bucket is larger than a cup and a spoon. Right? Yes. See children, did you listen the word capacity? Yes. What is capacity? Yes. Capacity is the quantity of liquid that a container can hold. Liquids such as milk, water, medicine, honey, etc. So, capacity is the quantity of liquid that a container can hold. Do you know children, how can we measure the capacity of a container? Let us see. Here you can see a glass. I am going to fill water in this glass with this top. This is a top of a bottle. Let us see how many tops of water will it hold. Are you ready? Yes. See children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See children. Now this glass is filled with water. Yes. This glass can hold 6 tops of water. Isn't it? That is, the capacity of this glass is 6 times the capacity of this top. Is it clear children? Yes. Tell me children, whether this measurement is correct or not when we use a spoon instead of this top. Yes. When we use a spoon instead of a top, the measurement will be changed. So we need a fixed unit for measuring the capacity of a container. We learned about standard units for measuring the length and weight of things. Here also we will learn about standard units for measuring the capacity. The first one, milliliter. I told you we need a standard unit to measure the capacity of a container and the quantity of a liquid. To measure the capacity of a small container such as a spoon, a medicine bottle or a cup, we use a standard unit called milliliter. M-I-L-L-I-L-I-T-R-E. Milliliter. This is used to measure the capacity of a small containers. It is written in short as ml. ml is the short form of milliliter. For example, a drop of water is about 1 milliliter. The capacity of a teaspoon is about 5 milliliter. And a tea cup can hold 200 milliliter of tea. So, to measure the capacity of a small containers, We use milliliter. Then tell me, how can we measure the capacity of large containers? To measure the capacity of large containers such as a bucket, a water tank, a drum, we use a standard unit called liter. That is L-I-T-R-E, liter. It is written in short as L. L is the short form of liter. Liter is the standard unit to measure the capacity of large containers. We know milliliter is a small unit of capacity and liter is a larger unit of capacity. Liter is used to measure the capacity of large containers. A packet of juice has about 1 liter of juice and a bucket can hold about 15 liters of water. We know there are 100 centimeters in a meter. So we can write 100 centimeter or 100 cm is equal to 1 meter. Then we learn there are 1000 grams in a kilogram. That is 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Like there are 1000 milliliters in a liter. So we can write 1000 milliliter. ml. ml is the short form of milliliter. Is equal to 1 liter. See children, this is very important. Okay, you have to learn this.
Let us solve one exercise problem in your textbook. I will read the question. Which unit will you use to measure the amount of liquid in these containers? The first one, milk in baby's feeding bottle. We learned the unit liter is used to measure the capacity of large containers and milliliter is used to measure the capacity of small containers. Here the first one, milk in baby's feeding bottle. We know baby's feeding bottle is very small, so we can use milliliter. The next one, water in a terrace water tank. We know water tank is a large container, so let us write here liter. Then the third one, water in a tub. Here also a tub contains a large amount of water, so we can use liter. Then cup syrup in a bottle. We know medicine bottle is a small container, so we can use milliliter. The next one, shampoo in a small bottle. Here also we can use milliliter. The last one, cold drink in a large bottle. We know the unit liter is used to measure the capacity of large containers. So here we can use liter. See, I hope you have understood how to solve this type of problems. Right children? Yes.
I hope you have understood today's class. Today we have discussed about measurement of capacity. We learned capacity is the quantity of liquid that a container can hold. See children, in this lesson we have learned about measurement of length, weight and a capacity. Okay, I have attached notes of lesson and a worksheet along with this video. You have to write down the notes and do the exercise problems in your textbook. So see you in the next class. Till then, bye.